Top of the morning to you. Recently, I've been thinking about just the devastation, the times when things are coming together and just causing destruction and catastrophe, and how those events kind of just last week or earlier this week, there was a flood in Texas at a girls' Christian summer camp, and 27 kids and counselors were killed, and a lot were saved. And the news is finally doing a little better job. Picked up a bus singing "Pass It On," a good Christian campfire tune of celebration of life, celebration of that, and just the rescue effort coming together and unifying the people, and the people reaching out and being supportive. And it's so beautiful to see that camaraderie and that performing amazing stuff, that it's so sad that America and men and solo-ness and success outside of catastrophe are so independent and not necessarily coordinated. Some of the best effects and movements are people who come together when there's not a catastrophe, not an emergency, but a vision. Simon Sinek puts it in Infinite Game, a just cause. Pick a just cause and rally people around it, rally people to it, and build that just cause, and come together and make amazing things happen in goodness of every day to take it to greatness of kingdom building. Sure, come together in catastrophe, come together in strife, come together in earthquakes and wildfires and all that stuff. But don't stop there. Start now. Start finding a just cause. Start coming together. We are better together. That's my second core value, core principle, my core belief. I guess core beliefs is what it is. I believe I'm getting better every day. I believe we are better together. Let's be together before the catastrophe. Let's be together to stop the catastrophe. And my third core belief is that I believe in a God who knows better, way better than I know better. So what is your down in the doobly-doo today, write down what is your just cause. What just cause can you start a movement around? What just cause can you start a community around? What just cause can you build better together, and not in response to catastrophe? And maybe it is something in catastrophe that's more widespread. It's more, the word accepted is in my head, but it's like it's unacceptable, like human trafficking, or what world things are going on that could be your just cause. And what's today's step? So write that down in the doobly-doo. Where is your movement? Where is your just cause? And what is your next step of action? My next step of action is Christian masterminds for husbands, fathers, and leaders. And if that's of interest to you, go to brian.chat and let's talk about the Christian mastermind groups. You be blessed.